Good day, everyone. At the moment we are here in Albura Marina car park. This is the main road and car park. Look at that, there is a couple, they are cooking their food at the back of their van. I'm not comfortable to do that. I'm not even comfortable cooking in a picnic table. I'm shy, or I'm scared to be seen by people doing that, especially here in the area of Nelson Bay. We are going to get something to drink, to eat, a coffee, maybe. A lot of people over that side, but in here, not so much. But this restaurant, they are busy. You know, this restaurant actually had been like three different restaurants. Look at that, the water is really clear. Oh, the convenience store that was here, they closed already. It's empty now. It's available for lease. Where should we get a coffee? From the ice cream shop? Or here? The ice cream shop is closed. Maybe they will open later. It was still early. Okay, let's have a coffee from here. Okay, just get this cappuccino. And they are actually using a 2BC State coffee. I rarely seen this 2BC State coffee, but I know this is popular in the Philippines. And look at the trees. They are started to bloom. There's fruit and leaves now. Just in the previous days, it was empty, all dried. That's good. It means that the weather is changing. And look at those. They are not school of fish because they are everywhere. They are just standing by. Tiny, tiny fish. I learned from the comment section that school of fish are a group of fish that is moving around. So maybe this is just a fish. Oh, I would say those. Those are the school of fish. Nice. You know, this particular area, this particular gardens always remind me of Dubai. Because in Dubai, the flowers on the street, they plant it and then remove it later on. They transfer it somewhere. I'm actually supposed to be day off today, but the new guy in our kitchen, he cannot work today, and so Divina decided to let me come to work today. Because if not, it is going to be just Chef Nathan and Divina. And it is going to be difficult if only two people in the kitchen. Busy or not busy, it's going to be difficult. There's a new guy in our kitchen, another Filipino. Good thing I did not make a booking for a camping. Because I want to do a silent camping, ASMR camping. Somewhere in Bob's Farm, not too far from here. Just an overnight stay. Then I don't know when is going to be my next day off. The sure one is next week. But for this week, I had just one. Oh, there is cormorant down there. I am now becoming confident of using this DJI Osmo Pocket 3 camera. Yeah, it feels complicated before, but now I'm getting used to it. Just to think what I might have missed. Looking back, how did I miss it? One look, now that's two less lonely people in the world tonight. It is now 10 o'clock, 10:02 actually. My plan for today is to go on swimming practice again, but I'm feeling lazy at the moment. Not swimming here at the beach, but at the swimming pool. Yeah, I'm not very confident yet to play in the water here in the beach. I have been living here in Nelson Bay for almost 8 years now, but I swim maybe 3 times for 7-8 years. Yeah. First, the main reason is I don't know how to swim. Second is the water is always cold, even in summer or winter, always cold. Oh, look at this. Yeah, this erosion. Yeah. Oh, is that attacking me? No, it's not. Oh, there are people there. They are divers. Yeah. They are divers. Basically, there is a place down there. The name of the area is Supply Point. Hey, look at this camera. Nice. Yeah, let's actually get down here. I will show you how it is here in the sanctuary zone. So basically in here, yeah, no fishing, no collecting. Yeah, last time, long time ago, me and Inigo, we went here for snorkeling. It's nice, but rocky. And some people actually, like those people, they're going to deep down under the water. Yeah, those people. Yeah, there is that ferry full of people on the top. Yeah, most of the people, they are on the roof, on the top. Yeah, nice. They are watching. They are going to stop every time they see a dolphins. Yeah, lots of birds here. Very nice. Oh, look at that. So there are cars parked over there, which is nice. But before, there is no railings like this. There's no barriers. Yeah. And so some of the people, they park their cars here. Yeah. Even sleeps here. Yeah. And so they decided to put this barrier and made it separate for the walkers and the bikers. And this is just a one-way lane going to Little Beach. But it looks useless now. I don't know what to do. I am about to say they should put a viewing area, but I don't know if it's good. Maybe it's bad for the ecosystem. Good for the people, but bad for ecosystem. So it's all right. We're now here at the Little Beach, and there is a Little Beach boat house. Yeah, it's a restaurant. I think it's fine dining. I'm not sure. Yeah, I know some people working in there. And there is a playground next to it and a beach. Yeah, apartments. There's another restaurant over that side. There is a car park here, and you can park here for free. Oh, actually, this is still free parking. Yeah, it is still free parking, but over that side, paid parking. And then there is a small jetty here. I mean a fishing area. Noise. This jetty, this fishing area is actually designed also for people who are on the wheelchair. Yeah, just like at the moment, there is one guy over there fishing on his wheelchair. And this is the new little beach. It is now this kind of modern picnic table, picnic area. Yeah. And even the toilet, it is new now in here. Before, it was the one without a door. Yeah. But it is like this now. I actually like the one before, the one without door. Yeah, because with door, yeah, you need to touch the doorknob. Look at that, there is one pelican over there. Yeah, nice, enjoying by the self. But there are actually more here. Okay, yeah, just relaxing these guys. A lot of them, all of them maybe are here. Yeah. Look at that. But there is also one over this side. He maybe is a loner. He prepared to be alone. And we are back here at the Porsche. Yeah, the battery is running low of this camera. Just 3% now.